Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make money by live streaming. The process that we will do, it's a very simple progress, and thanks to this progress you will be able to earn money from your live streams. So without further ado, let's get straight to the point. First of all, if you have watched a live stream before on Twitch or on YouTube, you've seen probably a streamer that get a donation. I can say that donations is the most important source of income for the streamers. Viewers send money to their favorite streamer to support them. So this is a way of making money, and a link is needed to send that money. So in this video we are going to learn how to create that link and add on our stream. So let's create a donation link. For this we go to Streamlabs. Of course there are different sites such Stream Elements, but in this video I will show Streamlabs. So if you want Stream Elements, maybe this video isn't for you. But as far as I know, Streamlabs is the most used one. So if you check big streamers, you will see that most of them use Streamlabs. So when you go to Streamlabs, all you need to do is to click custom tip page, and from this page click on domain. So this link here is your donation link. So as you can see, this is my donation page, and viewers that want to support me can donate me through this link. But let's say that you want to change this page and customize it. For this, you come back to this page, back to the main, and you can edit your page from here. But one thing, to do this you need Streamlabs Prime. You click upgrade to Prime, and you can upgrade to Prime for $13 per month if you buy the annual plan. And you will also get other stuff like custom merch store, mobile app, custom tip page, unlock all apps, multi-stream, and more stuff. But this is something that is up to you. I mean, you don't have to pay to get donations. You can still get donations, just you can customize your donation page. In short, this is everything that you need to do. So if you've done all the things that I showed you so far, people can donate you through your donation link and you can make money. But here's the good part, adding these donations on your stream. So when someone donates you, they will be shown on the stream. So now let's do that. To do that, we come to Streamlabs, and from the left panel we come to alert box, and from this page you can customize your notifications like follow notifications, subscribe notifications, and donation notifications. You can do it either manually or use a template. It's up to you. And when you do the settings or use a template, after that you copy the widget URL here, you click copy, come to OBS, and in the OBS you come to sources, right click, add, browser, and from here you can name it like notifications, okay, and paste the link that we just copied in the URL section like that. Okay, and there's nothing. But you can also do a test donation to see if it's working correctly. So let's click test donation, and as you can see, it's working just right. It's working correctly. Like it says, John's donated $35, and there is a message like it's test donations. So if someone donates you when you're live, the animations will be just like we saw right now. The only thing that will change is the name, the donation amount, and the message that the viewer will type when he donates. We've done all the settings that we need to do. From now on, all you have to do is to share your link, and if someone donates you, you make money. Let's even add that link on our Twitch channel. So when we come to Twitch, we click edit panels. I used to stream in the past, I may start again, don't look at them, just act like there isn't anything, click add a text or image panel, and here to the image links to add that link, not this one, the donation link, this one. I mean, there are also details like panel title, image, description. So if you're gonna use the image links to, you need to add an image so people can click on that image and go to that link. But if you're not gonna use an image, instead you can do that. You can type exactly like I typed. Instead of using this link, you can use your own donation link, and let's click submit, close that, and that word will be clickable, and when someone clicks that word, he will go instantly to your donation page and can donate you, just like that. Here we come to the end of this video. So basically from now on you can monetize your live streams. By the way, in this video here I show you how to make money just by watching live streams. So if you don't want to stream and make money, instead you can watch live streams and make money. So if you want, you can watch that video right after this one. See you over there. Bye bye.